Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Can loud noises hurt the baby in the womb? Mystery solved. Do you always like your music up a notch? Sounds like this could be an issue if you are pregnant or planning to conceive. Around your 5th month of pregnancy, your baby's inner ear will be fully formed. This means that your little munchkin will be capable of hearing, though not on the same level. You may even notice that any loud noise triggers a reaction from your baby, like a movement or a jumpy thud in your belly. Are unborn babies protected against loud sounds? Your baby's ears are well protected by your stomach muscles, the placenta, and the amniotic fluid. Therefore, the sounds that your baby hears may be all muffled and softer. It is not known what kind of noise intensity may be fatal for your baby's ears. Thus, it is better to be cautious when topping up the volume. The stress hormones released due to loud noises may raise the mother's heart rate, which is not good for the baby. What kind of sounds are dangerous for pregnant women? Constant exposure to loud noises for longer durations may result in hearing loss in the growing fetus. Stay away from the following kinds of noises. 1. Avoid working in places where noise decibel is above 80. 2. Avoid regular exposure to the loud noises of jet planes. 3. Refrain from going to a firing area or range. 4. If you plan on attending any concert involving loud music, refrain from sitting in the front row or near the speakers. How can loud noise harm the fetus? Loud noise may 1. Startle the baby. 2. Affect the baby's hearing. 3. Cause fetal abnormalities. 4. Induce stress. 5. Increase the risk of premature birth. Can you listen to soft sounds or soft music during pregnancy? Yes, you can listen to music during pregnancy, provided you listen to it at a lower volume or within authorized limits. Music played at 70 decibels or lower levels proves to be very effective in providing calming effects to the mother and her baby. Stay away from places where there is noise. Turn that stereo down to a low volume, and skip that rock concert until your baby arrives. As they say, a healthy mom will ensure a healthy baby.